Hello students, good morning. Welcome back to your third lecture of English grammar. In our first two lectures, we learnt the fourth different rules of the alphabetical order. What will we learn here in this lecture? Let's see. First of all, we are going to learn more examples with different possibilities. And then it will be your fun time, activity time. I will explain you how to do the activity and which material do you need for this activity. Then I will give an exercise for your homework. In our first two lectures, we already learnt the four different rules of alphabetical order. Have you remembered it? Let's revise it. The first rule is if the first letter of all the words are different. The second rule is if the first letter of all the words are same. The third rule is if the first two letters of all the words are same. And the fourth rule is if the first three letters of all the words are same. Now here we are going to learn the more examples with mixture of all the rules, means different possibilities. And which are the different possibilities? Let's see and understand with these examples. First of all, read these four words. Which are they? Bunny, cheetah, camel, bear. Whenever you read the words, you have to observe that which letter of the words are same. Can you observe? Yes. Can you observe it? Here, the two words begin with B and two words begin with C. Now what can we do? Let's see. Whenever this type of possibilities in the questions, you have to make them separately. Means you have to write one side words which begin with B and second side write the words which begin with C. Now compare only the two letters. Which are they? B and C. Now tell me, which letter comes in alphabetical order between B and C? Obviously B. So pick out both the B letter words, and here we can see that the first letter of these words are same. Then we are going on the second letter of the word. And which are they? U and E. Now we have to compare the second letter of the word. So which are they? U and E. Tell me, which letter comes first in alphabetical order? U or E? E. So our first word of the answer is bear and second word of the answer is bunny. Here we have done the words which begin with B. Now we are moving on the words which begin with C. Which are they? Cheetah and camel. Now here also their first letter are same. Then what can we do? We are moving on the second letter of the word. And which are they? H and A. Now we have to compare H and A. In between them, which letter comes first in alphabetical order? A. So, which is the third word of the answer? Camel. And which is the fourth word of the answer? Cheetah. Okay, now we get the answer. And let's see. What is the answer? Bear, bunny, camel and cheetah. I hope you understand it very well. Now let's see the another example with another possibility. Just read these words. Board, brown, bore and broad. Whenever you read this word, you can observe that all the words have their first letter are same. Then what can we do? We are moving on the second letter of the word. And which are they? O and R. We have only two letters because we have two words which have O in their second position, and we have two another words which have R in their second position. So we are comparing O and R. Now tell me which letter comes between O and R in the alphabetical order? O. So pick out both the words which beginning with the O. So both the words are board and bore. So look here. Board and bore have first two letter same. Then we are moving on the third letter of these words. And which is the third letter of the word of board? A. And of the bore is R. So we can compare A and R and then put them in their sequence. So which letter comes first in A and R in alphabetical order? Obviously A. So our first word of the answer is board. B-O-A-R-D, board. And the second word of the answer is bore. Here we have done the arranging word with B-O words. Now we are moving on the B-R words. And which are they? Brown and broad. We can see here their first three letters are same. Then what can we do? We are moving on their fourth letter of the word. And which are they? W and A. Right? So tell me, which letter comes first in alphabetical order between W and A? Obviously A. So our third word of the answer is broad and fourth word of the answer is brown. Now we can arrange them in their proper order. Let's see the answers. Board, bore, broad and brown. I hope you understand this example very well. Let's see one more example. Just read these four words, and these four words are the months of the year: June, August, July and April. Now you have here two types of words. First one is the words which begins with J, and second one is words with begins with A. So we are comparing first of all A and J. Now tell me, between A and J, which letter comes first in alphabetical order? Obviously A. So pick out both the A letter word. Which are they? August and April. So here we can see that both the words have first letter same. So we are moving on the second letter of the word, and which are U and P. Now you have to think which letter comes in the first position between U and P. So which letter come first? Yes, P. So our first word of the answer is April and second word of the answer is August. Now we are moving on the words which begins with J. Which are they? June and July. So you have to observe both the words. Have you observed that both words have the first two letters are same? Yes. Then we are moving on the third letter of them. Which are they? N and L. Now you have to think about which letter between N and L comes in the first position of alphabetical order. Which letter comes first? L. So our third word of the answer is July and fourth word of the answer is June. Let's see our answer. April, August, June and July. I hope you understand very well all these possibilities. Now it is your surprise, means your activity. Just look at the picture. You have to write this type of alphabets in this way, and Below the alphabets, you have to write the numbers as you shown in the picture. You can see in the picture how to write the alphabets, and you have to write below alphabets. You have to write the numbers 1 to 26. Let's move on. I will give some instruction of activity. First of all, I will tell you which materials do you need for this activity. You need 4 or 5 project papers, then colors or sketch pens, and then decoration materials if you want to decorate this activity. Now I will tell you how to do this activity. You have to write, as I told you, you have to write A to Z with the number as shown in the picture decoratively or attractively, and solve the hidden messages which are given in your homework PDF. And the example how to solve the hidden messages, I will show the example in the homework PDF. So I hope you will enjoy whenever you do the activity. Thank you. Have a good day.